because I want to see this done as a continuous border. Okay, that's because I'm selfish. This is the one I'll be working on in the second set with MBX. No doubt I will mess around with this as well, and they're carnations. These are those fans. I can't think of any other way to describe them. You know, the old Egyptian fan base with the big peacock feathers coming out of them. This is that design I said to you that I liked and was a repeater, because this was a continuation of this here. You can even see where the join is. Can you see that? There's the bottom of the 3 leaves, and you've got this bit here. So you'd match that up so these leaves laid over those leaves at just the right spot, which is just a fraction above the split line here. Okay, now I seem to have been gabbling on for a long time, so and the rest of this little book is just general information on embroidery. Now I have put together 3 small booklets which I'll be uploading to the group files, and in those are the colour plates and the line drawings. And where have they gone? Part 1, Part 2, Part 3. Part 1. There's only 16 pages, and it's the colour plates of that first part of the book with the designs in. I don't suggest you try the rose or the blue swirly one, and some of you might feel this is well within your reach. If you do, then by all means try this one. So that's part 1, and you'll find the line drawings for it in part 3. You're getting all 3 parts, 11 or 17. So let's get back up to the first one. There we go, page 18. That's the dandelion. There you go. Personally, when I do this one, I'm going to do it with the parallel fill tool, not the turning angle tool. But the rest of it I could do with the turning angle tool. But the whole purpose of this set of videos and this challenge is to get you using your turning angle tools and looking at possible things that you can do with it. Now the whole of this design can be done with your column tool, turning angle tool, whatever. And so can that one, although it's a wee bit confusing. This one can, you'd have to be very certain of your control of your turning angle tool and your angles. The same with that one. These I like. These can be done with the turning angle tool. Makes a nice little border design. And particularly this one, I think that's a sweet little border design. You'd have to extend the stem up into the flower middle. You just have to take a little artistic license with all of them. You can see there are little gaps here between the stalks and the leaves. You've got to continue that under. No little gaps. And you travel. No unnecessary colour changes. No unnecessary trims. Travel. I love this one. This one I'm going to do for myself, I think. And I adore this one. But as I said, I've got to thin it out a bit. And that's the one, as I said, we're going to be working on. So I've chopped away now for far too long. But I wanted you to see these. I think you should pop along to antiquepattern.org and download these DMC books. There are a couple missing, which quite upset me, because they are great little books and it was a fantastic series. I couldn't believe it when I found them. And where are they? There you go. DMC, that's alphabets and monograms, Bulgarian embroidery. Can't remember where that one's from. There's a Yugoslavian one here. There's the Yugoslavian one. Can't remember where this is from. Ah, there's that design again. The one I said I wasn't overly keen on. I mean, they're great aids for learning. They really are. This is the Yugoslavian one. And it's got some lovely little motifs in. And the line drawings to accompany them. I mean, how could you not find a graphic amongst all these lot to do a design with? And it might not be your style, the hand style, but you borrow things. You know, I think these are lovely borders. I don't quite like this heavy effect here, but the rest of it I like. I think the rest of it's great. And it works. And I don't much like the colour used. Braids. More patterns. And I know these were all designed for hand embroiderers. It doesn't mean you can't use them. And the thing is, most of these you can replicate in your digitizing software. And you can do it a whole lot quicker than these ladies who used to do this could do it. Okay, that's enough talking. I'll see you all in the next video.